Welcome back, everyone. It's Caleb. I'm sitting inside of the all-new Buick Enclave. This is the sport touring trim. I'm going to go ahead and move my seat back so I can show you with a full range of view how to use your steering wheel, as a lot has changed, and frankly, it's amazing. But I want to make sure y'all know how to use it. So okay, backing us up a little bit. I've really scooted the seat all the way back as far as it'll go. I'm going to start from the left and go to the right, showing you everything. And this one has Super Cruise, so it'll be slightly different than ones without it. So now, just kind of starting with one key thing, you have low mode, which is when you're in drive, you click the L button, and you're able to use your paddle shifters going through the gears. As you'll see over here, you've got up to 8 speeds. I'm going to go ahead and put it back in park. But that's your, essentially your manual paddle shifter mode. So that's for the low gears. Now we have our gap adjust, which you'll see on the screen. You can choose from a various of different car lengths. You got 2, 3. And it shows you a little tiny enclave right here, which I think is kind of cool. Then you have Super Cruise, which is this button here. And it'll tell you, not available right now. I'm sitting in the dealership lot. But then we have our cruise control. You can cancel it, turn it on, which you'll see on the bottom left. It'll turn on. And then you'll hit minus for set, and then to resume or go higher, you hit that plus sign. And once again, because I'm stopped, you know, your normal horn. I'm going to go ahead and open the door to show you this one. Hopefully we can see it. I always do this at dark. But you have the paddle shifter once again, but this is so you can go through your different modes for your music or your podcast, you know, for audio. You can go through that, and it'll show you on the screen as well. Now to move us over to the right, this is the Super Cruise. To move us over to the right, you have your steering wheel, which is nice. It's nice and warm right now as it's heating up. This is for your music audio sources, so you can filter through those, and you click through this arrow option to go through there, and then say you pick one. I'll do USB. You click this check mark, which is right next to it, this button here, to select it. Now you also have your different driver screens, which is this button here on the bottom right. And then you filter through those, and that's also how you're able to do your maps from either A, the vehicle, or B, from your cell phone. And that's Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, both wireless. Now you have your hang up and your call button, and you can use that to contact your Siri, your Google, your built-in Pixel, whatever it might be. And then over here on the right, once again, you have your paddle shifter, and right underneath your paddle shifter, you have the volume buttons, and you'll see as I click it, it turns through the volume. But that's your steering wheel on your brand new Buick Enclave, and I love how thick it is. It gives it that nice grip. I'm not sure why they went that way, but I'm starting to like it a lot, and it's super easy to actually hold the steering wheel if you're on those long car trips. But with Super Cruise, it won't matter, because Super Cruise makes it a lot easier. I want to say thank y'all again for watching. I hope you're having a great day. That's my in-depth on how to use your steering wheel on your new Buick Enclave. I'll see y'all soon.